How to send a snap to everyone at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send a snap to everyone at once. Now to do so, what you can do is you can create a group. Now not a group essentially, but a list where you'll be able to send to everyone at once. Now I'll just show you here. You want to open up Snapchat, right? If you head into chat section here at the bottom of your screen, you can see here all my friends. Now if you create a quick snap, I'll just create a quick snap here, and if you tap on next option, you'll be able to send snaps. But instead of selecting this all, if you just, what you want to do is here at the top of your screen you'll get the plus icon. Now you can see I already have certain shortcuts here. You'll have to create a shortcuts. Now I already have certain shortcuts, but what you can do in order to create a shortcut is simply tap on plus icon at the top and then tap on new shortcut option, and then you'll be able to choose your friends. You will have to do this once you select every single friend on this particular list. On this shortcut, you can simply tap on create shortcut and then tap on OK, and then you'll have to choose an emoji here as your shortcut name. So once you do so, your shortcut will be created, and next time when you send a snap, you can simply tap on that particular shortcut and then tap on select all option and tap on another particular shortcut and tap on select all, and then you can send it. So this is the way you can send a snap to everyone at once on Snapchat by creating a shortcut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.